Thank you Alif bagi abang balik my Debab Supra. Thank you. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to Bullseye Hamdan channel. Alright guys, so hari ni we're gonna go check out Rentaka again. What's the progress, what's going on. So a few things that we mentioned on the previous video, we need to refurbish and then check up, full check up on Rentaka, because it's off season, so kita nak prepare so that when the season starts the car is fresh and ready to rock. So let's head down to RAV4 and then let's see what's going on. So I bet there's a lot stuff that's already being updated, because I've got a few text messages from Luis saying the progress of the car. So amazing stuff, can't wait to see it. And then what else do we have today? So maybe Raya nak dekat, so maybe need to clean up some stuff in my face. So maybe potong rambut, you know, and then shave up. Raya is coming soon. Alright, we are here at RAV4 checking out Rentaka. Super nice. Now it's all cantik, painted. Sini pun dah cat. Baru-barulah nampak cantik kan. So they just wash the car, bersihkan dalam, remove the seats, or remove one seat at least, so that they can access all the wires that needs to be cleaned up. And then also we're going to remove that seat. We're going to change to a FIA with the neck support. So far the car is all on stands. So they are working on the quick change. Jom tengok quick change. So kalau korang tak tahu, ni lah dia quick change, Winter's quick change. So kita akan explain sikit apa function quick change. So kenapa kita buka? So after a few years, usually we will check the gears, open it up for maintenance, and there is some leaks, sikit-sikit leak dekat situ. So the RAV4 guys is making sure everything is properly checked, service balik. These are the components. Dia akan baraikan, completely open and check everything is, so hopefully everything is in good running condition for the fresh season. So there will be some relocation or remount for the oil cooler, make it more firm. Before this was just a plate underneath, so it's flimsy. So we don't want to mess with the oil cooler lah, because to oil cooler oil kan, so ibarat darah dalam engine. So kalau darah leaking, engine dalam keadaan yang bahaya jugalah. So very impressive. For now, quick change. So what is quick change? Quick change is basically a diff for rear-wheel driven car. So it's made very popular back in 2007, 2008. Of course, the Americans, it's an American brand, so Americans starts using it. Why? Because the stock ataupun the factory diff always give way because of the amount of power the engine pushes and the grip of the tires. So that causes factory diff to break. But some factory diff are really strong, like the GTRs, the JZX, and of course the M3s memang kuat. But the other benefit of having a quick change is that ni benda ni, see that, those are the gears for the quick change. So these two gears can make a lot of difference. How? Okay, when you buy a stock Winter's quick change, it comes with a 4.1 gear ratio. So regardless of how you flip the gears, terbalikkan, it's still going to be 4.1. But there are I think easily 100 or maybe within 100 gear ratios to choose from. So how you change is just you remove the cover, which is that cover. You remove that, you will see these 2 gears. Remove it, and then you can just switch it around to change your ratio. And you can do that within a matter of 5 minutes. So that's the benefit of having a Winters quick change. Besides of the strength, and of course it's so nice compared to the factory ones. It's so fast to change gears. You have to buy the gear ratios, it's optional. You can buy according to your specs lah. So setengah tempat you perlukan 4.3, setengah tempat you perlukan 3.9, setengah track you want that second gear to be longer, so you go to a longer ratio. So yes, these are the benefits, and it comes in 2 models as far as I know. This is the 1500 series and the 1000 series, and it comes in spool or LSD. That is up to your liking lah, your options. You can buy it. Of course, the price may differ. So that's serba sedikit some information about what is the quick change, Winters quick change is all about. Anything, just comment down below kalau tak faham. I might know a bit, not much, but yeah. Hopefully there's some misfiring issues that we need to figure out. Spoke to Johnny, our tuner. There might be some wire or some plug or cable or coil, the one that's related to fire, that could be the issue. So we'll see. So can't wait to see this car 100% refreshed.
24 hours later.
Alright guys, so we are back at RAV4. So jangan tengok bar ni semua dah cat, dah tune dah. So now let's check out what's inside. Boom! Center console installed. The switch pad is already moved down. Sebelum ni dia dekat atas, kalau korang masih ingat, nanti kalau ada video aku tunjuk. Dulu kita punya control switches is all up there, the PDM switches, but now it's down here. So this is all Louis RAV4 creativity. I leave it up to them because you see their work, so you can trust their ideas, right? So we switch also, we move the starter, the main kill switch to the right side of the dash together with the, what do you call this, the brake bias. We move it here so that it's literally just handbrake and also the gear shifter. Then up next we're gonna, if you can see, there you go, the shifter punya indicator. So that one still yet to be finalized because we still have a like a tablet ataupun dash that we're gonna see whether we put it in the middle where it's supposed to be, or should we put it on the side in the middle here. Masih belum decide lagi. And then there's a plate that comes with the center console. Yeah, that one. Maybe we will make it perfectly on top, covering this hole so that it will be super neat. And then as you can see, kita ada the custom made oil catch tank by RAV4. So this is purely 100% custom made. Let's check out the engine bay again. So as you can see, the coils has been removed because kita lupa kita dah ada aftermarket punya valve cover. Kita beli kat Oman dulu. So we're gonna put in the rocker cover, the aftermarket, so it's gonna look more nicer lah, of course, because it's taller and it's chrome in color. And then yeah, after that we're gonna relocate the oil catch. Previously was right there, but now it's going to be transferred there with the custom made oil catch by RAV4. So okay, so what else yang dah buat? So there's the refabricated mount, so now it's more solid, as you can see. So all painted gold, similar color. Barulah kemas, baru cantik nak display kan. So see, doors are off, pintu dah dikeluarkan. So apa yang beza? What's the difference guys? Yes sir, the wiring is no longer visible. See, all tucked in nicely. Very nice. So the ECU is right there behind That's the NOS punya holder. We might run NOS, might not, depends. We'll see how. Like I said, I haven't really drifted this car, so I tak tahu. So no doors. The frames is gone. So this is the new poly windows. They make a custom hole so that we can slide open and close. So that's pretty cool. So the winters is back on. Okay, after restoring, few check-up, dismantling everything, check balik. Korang boleh tengok gambar-gambar ni daripada hasil kerja RAV4. So they open up the Siki quick change, make sure everything is okay. Now it's all with the new seal, fresh seal. So as you can see, no more leaking. So it's perfectly, hopefully it stays that way for testing day. So that's one of the new stuff. Oh yes, one more thing. See this? See the plates? Yes, that's the new bracket holding the windows with the door. So very nice. I'll share the photo, you can check it out. And also this video by Luis. See how nice it is and how it shuts properly now. We have a brace at the door, so that when the door closes, it just shuts. It just closes like a original feel. Yeah. So that's about it, I think, for now. The latest updates regarding Rentaka, and we're still debating, should we change, should we add a boss kit? Because right now, alhamdulillah, aku dah kurus sikit, lost a lot of weight, so I don't really have an issue going in and out into drift cars without removing the steering. But of course, if you can remove the steering wheel, it's better. It gives you more space. And then apa-apa nak buat kerja pun senang. The crew can just remove the steering and then get down straight to the pedals or whatnot, or whatever that they need to crawl in the car, kan? Of course, for now, we're gonna run it like this. And then in the future, maybe we're gonna have a forced induction, maybe a charger, maybe a turbocharger. We will see which one is more cost effective. Macam korang tahu, aku budget drifter. I mean, we try to keep up with the specs that is, you know, happening now around the world. Tapi kita tahu the current specs drifting has get into another level lah. Okay, another level whereby a basic drift car will never get you anywhere. You need to have a proper build. Even like this is considered a basic setup because it's an LS3 stock with just cams. If you, kalau korang tengok kat US, the European guys, they are running easily 800, 900 LS engine, whether it's supercharged, turbocharged, nitrous, whatever you name it. But they are all built engines, so well, with baby steps, you know, baby steps. But yeah, Malaysia, you don't need so much power. I think 500-600 is more than enough. You can win, and it's already proven. A lot of drivers with 500-600 and some have less horsepower still wins events here in Malaysia. Alright guys, so we need to clean up because sebab balik daripada China, we have no time. We're gonna go back to kampung for Raya. So kat mana nak potong rambut? Nak tahu kat mana? Check this out guys. Alright, yes sir. Kita akan pergi dekat Aiden Barbershop, AI team. This place belongs to Alif Irfan from AI Garage. Jom. Alright, jom kita tengok before after. Okay, ni before. So lepas ni tengok after. Ambil gambar sikit. Cak, cak, cak. Alright, jom kita masuk. Sudah lambat sikit appointment pada pukul 5.30. Hopefully sempat lah. Kita tanya sekejap, sempat tak sempat. Alright, jom potong rambut Aiden Barbershop. Thank you Alif. Let's go. Alright, siap. Special treatment. Apa nama bro?
Syahid.
Syahid. Okay, thank you Syahid.
Thank you.
Tengok dia potong rambut kita. Baru boleh join AI team. Alright, thank you Syahid. Selamat Raya. So, kalau korang datang AI Garage nampak ni private room ni. Ni kalau korang buat macam mana nak private room kena booking lah. Kena booking lah. So alhamdulillah, thank you very much Alif for giving me the opportunity potong rambut dengan Aiden Barbershop. So bilik VIP. Thank you very much. So untuk aku selalu potong rambut dekat kedai, biasalah kedai mamak kan. Tapi bila experience professional barbershop macam Eden Barbershop ni, feeling dia memang best. Sebab equipment yang pakai pun professional tools. So aku highly recommend korang datang Eden Barbershop. Check it out guys, memang best. Alright guys, alhamdulillah settle potong rambut. So macam mana? Ya. Macam mana? Cuna. Panjang umur. Alif sudah sampai. Ngam-ngam cakap, pom. Alif Irfan. Jom kita bersembang ni sekejap. Ngam-ngam kita nak gerak, Alif sampai. Nampak Supra dia. Mantap Supra dia. Alif. Thank you. Saya buat video sikit. Buat video sikit. Buat video ni? YouTube boleh lah. So, masih lah. So ni first time sampai Eden Barbershop. So memang mantap lah, potong rambut mencun. Kau jaga hati. Tak, serius. Abang tertidur je dalam tu. Sebab dia punya, orang kata layanan tu bagus lah, mantap lah. So Alif balik kampung bila? Besok balik Abang balik pergi China besok. So balik sini bila? 6 bulan. Okey lah, sama abang pun 5-6 kat balik daripada Terengganu lah. Sebab balik KL, terus pergi Terengganu. Balik KL dah 31 sebagai dah. Cepat aja. Tapi raya 31. Ngam-ngam lah. 5 pagi abang sampai, terus gerak. So by the way, thank you Dev. Thank you for potong rambut. So apa-apa, kita jumpa lagi. Bye. Alright guys, kebetulan kita kat sini. Kita tengok sekejap janda ni. Alif cakap, dia kata nak bagi kita balik kereta ni. Cakap, bang, abang ambil lah bang, janda abang ni. Kalau betul lah cerita dia, memang nak. Ni dream car aku guys. This is my dream car since I was young. Basically since Fast and Furious lah. Fast and Furious yang first. It's already been my dream car. So simpan duit, alhamdulillah got the car. Buat dia kau-kau. I think you saw the car in few episodes of DC GGTV back then. But now it belongs to Alif. Dia memang, siapa kata tak rindu lah, you know. This is one of the janda yang aku rindu lah. Paling rindu lah sebenarnya cerita. So but it's in good hands now. Alif will definitely take good care of this car. So yep. Thank you Alif bagi abang balik my Debab Supra. Thank you. Alright guys, so that's it from me. Kalau aku tak keluar konten masa raya nanti, selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir batin. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, like, share and subscribe. Guys, thank you very much for supporting. And I hope to see you guys after Raya. So from me, Bullseye Hamdan, selamat Hari Raya, maaf zahir batin. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum. Berdaging. Me too.